Hey.
Hey.
Where are we at? We're at Lowe's.
Wow.
What are we buying at Lowe's?
To get paint.
For what?
Paint.
What are we getting paint for?
For my computer.
Awesome. Let's go. You ready? Let's go. Do you want to do white on the inside and pink on the outside?
Yeah.
Okay. How's that white? Is the white good? Okay, here, let's give that to Mama. You need to record this in landscape, dear.
Okay, do it.
It's so hard. I can't get both of your faces.
Alright, so what pinks do we have? There's a pink.
I like that.
Okay, well, let's see what the other pinks are first.
They're on the top.
There's this pink, which is that pink.
Hold it.
Let's go ahead and grab one of each of them and we'll look at it, okay? And
That's
this
for
pink.
grass.
Oh,
Oh, that one's broken.
so there's this one,
I want to hold it.
And there's light pink up there.
and then there's, hang on, let me hold it. And then there's this light pink,
I like that one.
and then there's this kind of in the middle pink. Which one do you like better?
I like that one.
You like that one better? You like that better than these two? You sure?
Yeah.
Last chance.
I like that one.
All right, that's what we'll get then.
I like that pink one.
All right, well, we'll let Mommy grab it out, okay?
I can.
Yay!
Mommy's running out of hands. There we go, we're good.
All right. We should probably get two because this, I don't think will lay down a good first coat. Yeah, wood and metal, cool. Hey, the camera. Say hi. Say hey, everybody.
Why are you being grumpy? There you go.
Good job. Hey, Kizzy. Are you excited? Want to paint your computer? You excited?
Yes.
Hey, Kizzy.
I thought Squishy had a new one.
Oh, thank you, baby. Hey, Kizzy. Mwah. All right, let's go.
We got pink.
Really? What color do we get?
Pink.
Yeah, we got pink. Do you like it?
Yes. Okay, bye.
Okay, bye. All right, so we got all the pieces sanded down, ready to paint. We're gonna do all the white spray first. Here we go. All right, we got all the white finished up. Gonna get started on pink stuff. And that's kind of what we're looking at assembled from the front. I'll get some more footage once the other pieces start to come together. There's all the black, soon-to-be pink pieces ready to go. There's a lot more surface area here to cover, but the parts aren't nearly as complex as the inside, so not sure how this is going to turn out, but at the very least it'll be a lot easier to tell what's not done. Alright, we're back in the workroom, got everything painted, outer case, inner case. None of this is assembled yet, I just kind of set it together to see what it looks like. So that's going to wrap it up for this little vlog, and I will see you guys in the build log of actually putting this thing back together. I get to use a rivet gun for the first time in like 10 years. It's going to be fun. See you then.